Alrighty. So market's gonna open here in like 6-ish minutes. Right now we're at this hourly high. We just swept it. We did break structure though. So here's kind of what I'm thinking right now. I want to say bearish just because we're sweeping out these highs and could rotate down to these here. That depends though, because we broke structure, so we're hourly's in a bullish order flow. Okay. The 4 hours isn't bearish. We could inverse this gap, leading us to go higher, right? The only thing right now is that we have these 15-minute that we're getting like a real retracement right now. Maybe we can get some sort of 15-minute SMT here or something along those lines. And then I'm okay with going long because the 1 hour is changing. So the 4 hour is going to change a little later. You know, it goes 1 hour, you're going to see bullish order flow, and then the 4 hour will show bullish order flow. So right now, I'm going to wait. I want to say I'm leaning more bullish right now because of this. We're broke hourly. We're doing 4 hourly gaps, but we do a 15-minute and a 30-minute. So if we can hold these and start getting reactions out of them, then I'm gonna be willing to go long here. If we do just inverse these though, then I think shorts is a good call. Just because we still have that 4 hour that'd be holding, and we'd be sweeping out an hourly high. So we're gonna wait and see here. It's kind of a tricky spot, but we will manage. For now, I'm gonna just pull this gap over to here, just so we know it's there, but don't want it getting in my way right now. Okay. Yeah, because the hourly just broke right here, as you guys can see. So this is like an equilibrium tap on the hourly. But we'll see if we start getting reactions out of this. I mark it open, or what the case is here. Okay, this candle's going to close at 8:30. These candles are going to close at 8:30. If we inverse these before market open, then that'll leave me real. I mean, I'll have a clean bias coming into market. It looks like we want to push lower, just the way these candles are kind of forming. Well, it's kind of hard to say, to be honest. We'll see here, though. 5 minutes definitely bearish. I can say that much. See, like this 5 minute, it broke here. See what I'm saying? We formed this gap, got pushed out. We never made it back down here. We started kind of consolidating here, so we could return back to the upside. Okay. Let's go back to the 5 minute here. I'm gonna take the trade on Nasdaq, just because Nasdaq looks a little lower. That looks it. Okay, we got 2 minutes here. See what happens. 4 minute hourly high. Yeah, we did. Right here. Just gotta remember that we're taking this out here. The other thing too is that we do have that SMT between these highs, because we already took them out here and haven't taken them out on NQ. So that's what I'm saying. If we do inverse these, then I have a pretty clean bias to the downside here. Okay, market just opened. Okay. Currently pushing lower NQ. Yeah, it's just kind of holding up here though. We just took out this low right here on NQ. So we're getting a little SMT there. Looking for a break of structure here though, if we want to go longs. We just swept this one out though, so right now kind of have like a little 5-minute-ish, maybe probably lower time frame SMT there. It's gonna turn into like a 15-minute though. Okay, right now we're breaking. Again, I would prefer going longs here. Even if this does push up, just because I know it's coming out of a reaction out of a 15-minute gap, you know what I mean? So right now it's kind of what NQ looking. We're kind of pushing lower on NQ, pushing higher on ES, so gotta be patient here. Obviously, market just opened, so there's all volatility coming into the market right now. And of course, you could easily say that we're getting an SMT on the other side as well. But the only thing with that is I'm just leaning more towards the bullish one, just because we're in that bullish order flow on the 1 hour, and we're in the bullish flow on the 30-minute and the 15-minute, right? So that's kind of my idea with that. Although this 4 hour is bullish, I mean, obviously, like I said, if it is going to go, if it is going to be, what do we call it? If it's going to be bullish, you know, if it's going to change, or actually this 4 hour, yes, this 4 hour is bearish. Is it bearish? I don't know. Oh, yeah. I don't know, we broke back up, retracements, back sweep. Oh no, technically it's bullish as well. It's just, it's got this 4 hour gap that's, if it does want to go lower, it needs to bounce off of it, right? So no, all the time frames are kind of bullish here actually. Because 4 hour on ES, it broke structure, it also inverses this gap here, that's bullish. We didn't break back down, we swept out, inversing this gap, and then if we want to push, yeah, okay. Yep. Okay, so we are bullish on all the, yeah, okay. I like the idea of going longs here then. Just gotta wait for the confluences to go long. I'm gonna double check, make sure nothing got added to news. We got some news coming out at 8:45. That's about it. That's about when I'm looking to get into a trade too, though. Once 8:45 hits. So should be good to go. Okay, we're starting to move in the same direction here on both of these indexes, so that's good. 840, 845, kind of what I'm looking to get into a trade. So after this five minute closes, then we start looking for like, if it already broke structure, we start looking for like continuation confluence. We start out 4 minutes on this candle. Kind of hungry. Make some food. About 2 minutes on this candle here. Let's double check this shit. Kind of bullish, 3 minutes bullish, 2 minute, thank you. Bullish as well. Yes, just a retrace. Yes. Good. Yep. 1 hour, equilibrium. 4 hour, nothing, just a retrace. No gap, resweep, push. Yep. Got 30 seconds on here. See if we get a little break, and then equilibrium, and then the continuation. Bum 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 bum. Oh shit, we're booming now. Booming looming. Booming woman looming. Let's see if we low equilibrium hit here. It's going to be way down there. We broke structure on what do you call it? On NQ as well, so that's awesome. See a little retracement. We got PMI coming out here in a couple minutes. It was a big, big Actually, I would take the trade on NQ because we're closer to this hourly high. I just noticed. Still a lot of wait for a pullback though. I'm gonna pull this one up. Pull NQ up just because that is where we are at. That's the one that's closer, so that's the one we'll be taking a trade on. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go get yourself. Got PMI coming out 3 minutes. Once it was a big, big world. Alright, PMI comes out in 1 minute. We're fucking booming towards my highs. Holy smoke. That's some bullshit, bro. Oh, man. I mean, it's good price action, low key, but you know, kind of didn't want it to boom like that. You know what I mean? It is a big, big world. You just want to give us a little like, little like, oh shit, a little like, boink, and then boink. That'd be awesome. That'd be amazeballs. Then we can just target like this high and then this high. Hit something like, let's say, something like a Longachino, like right here somewhere, you know. We can go something like maybe like this, you know, maybe like do something like this. You know, if you just want to hit me with a little pullback, that'd be amazing. Holy golly, PMI yanked that bitch. Holy candle, my boy. Let's say. Give us a little deeper one. You know what I mean? Just a little deeper. Or once you get, give me a break to the downside. I'll count it as a retracement, and then I'll break to the upside. I'll be all good. We'll be all good and well. But we're so close to these bitches. I'd like low-key be deeper, low-key be fire. Well, we could play our stops like closer to that thing, like right here up below. Cool. First draw, second draw. It's not even a 1-to-1 though. Something like that, maybe. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Do I feel good about that? I low-key do, but just kind of just sweat these. I'd love to see it go lower. I'm gonna wait. I don't think it will though. I think it's just gonna boom up here. That's what I was saying. It's a pretty good retracement, to be honest. But you know what? I'll enter. Alright. That just comes and bites me in the ass. We got a good like retracement on the 1 minute. Like we got a good like pullback, and then we just swept those and broke up. So that's why I entered there. Wait, did I even enter? Oh yeah, it's over here. Dumbass. So what is this here? So selling it somewhere around here. Hello. Oh shit. Where's the 1-to-1 at? That's what I'm trying to find out. It's a top draw, really? Oh shit. Alright, that's the trade. I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna get fucked over here. This is well deserved. Good. There we go. It is a big, big world. Alright, so idea behind this, I entered. I got the 15-minute. Already pushing out. We already got the 15-minute break. Kind of this little pullback here of the resweep. Kind of going to count as a retracement here. Got close, pretty close to equilibrium. And then we got a good reaction out of it, and we broke structure. So that's why I entered. So I got one take profit. So I know it's a 1.14, but still, just gonna still follow my rule type deal. Little 1-to-1 and then full TP. It is a big, big world. Bum, 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 bum. Come to each other. Once oh seven. Dude, let's play fucking song. That shit's tuning in my head right now. It's down a little wee bit. Bum, 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 bum. Once I was 7 years old. Don't make yourself some friends or you'll get lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world. told me don't get yourself so first. Does that work? Yeah, for me. Macchiato. That's all that we need to failures. Oh boy. Stop loss for sure, bro. I'm 6 years old. Make yourself some friends and you'll be lonely. 7 years old. It's a fair value gap right here. No shot. Hold on. Oh my god, there it is too. Yep, that's well deserved as fuck. That's well deserved. Well fucking deserved. Damn, I didn't even notice there's a gap there, bro. That's fucking retarded. Stop should have been somewhere below this. If we push back inverse this, I'll enter again. Only if we maintain this gap. Yeah, if we do that though, it's wraps. I'm calling it a day. Oh, we just inversed it, yeah. Alright, that's it for today. That was well deserved. It's well deserved loss for sure. For sure, for sure. These are what the accounts are looking like right now. The fund is only a couple hundred from being broke or lost, so lost like 999 today. Not gonna lie to you guys, might take a long on ES here. Getting an SMT. To equilibrium. Only if we inverse this right here. It's gonna be a smaller size just because I can't trade with much. It's the retracement right there. We just have like a 1 minute SMT. You can't even say 5 minute, but yeah, I'm gonna take this here. If we inverse this gap, I'm gonna take longs. Oh wait, that's right. Okay. What the fuck? Hello? What is happening? Okay. Why does it keep closing me out? I'm so confused. Hello? Maybe it was for the best, who knows, but, why does it keep closing me out there? Alright, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna call it good for them. Just call it them. Oh, is that why? Hold on. That might be why. No, that's fine. It's whatever. So it's free bread, honestly, but yeah, I'm gonna take this actually. It's on a 15-minute gap. I just don't. I don't think it's a bad trade. Like, I think it's a good trade. Let me see if it'll let me. If it does, then I'll take it. If it doesn't, then oh well. Ty, why does he keep doing that? I don't know why I kept. Okay, it's whatever. I'm done. Well, let me re-enter, but it's fine. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna stop doing that because it's fucking blowing. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna call it good for today. It won't let me re-enter. I'm trying to take longs here, but it's not letting me. So yeah, we go ahead and call it a day.